Welcome again, guys. This is my review of the Intertool socket set and bits. This is the 6-inch extension. This is the ratchet under. As you can see, it's very small. It is well compact. You have to press this button to release the bits or extension. Yeah, this is a additional piece of tool that can be used instead of the ratchet under, for like when you're pulling tight things. These are the bits, and you see how they stack the bits together on all four sides, four corners. Yeah, so have a nice finish to it. As you can see all the pieces when it's closed. This is the knob to lock it. Yeah, feels good, feels sturdy, like it's worth its price. See, the extension is also used right on under. You have a nice feel to it. Have it about 2 months now. You have to squeeze the knob at the top. I see it's a 6-inch, and to add additional length you can put all the pieces together. It's a flex end. Switch the knob for direction. This knob at the top changed rotation. Yeah, this is the 1/2 inch. I see it's a good length with all the ends together. Definitely can reach a spark plug. Yeah, very compact and handy piece of tool. Got a nice feel to it. Yeah, overall feels like a good brand. This is the 532. This is the 316. This is the 732. This is the 1/4. This is the 932. It's the 516. It has 2 5/16 pieces. This is the 1132. This is the 3/8. This is the 7/16. This is the 1532 and this is the off. This is a bit older. Yeah. This is the 2-inch extension. Squeeze the top to release and to put it on. A bit older can work on this. All the pieces. Can also work and the flex head. Help you reach those hard to reach screws. Yeah, I recommend it. I found it to be very handy. Squeeze the top. Yeah, I rather these with the the quick release. Don't have to be forcing it out. Yeah, this piece of tool can be used instead of the ratchet. As you can see, you can switch it to the end to turn, or you can center it and turn it between your fingers. Chrome vanadium, good metal. Also used as the handle. Very compact, very nice. You can see all the fittings on the outside when it's closed. All the bits. Got that nice look. Even though it's a tool, you know. Specifications on the back. Quarter drive socket and bit set. 57 in total. Very nice. The 6-inch extension is used for the handle. Very nice. So guys, give this a thumbs up. Thank you.